Docs gang, how are we doing today? Guys, we're doing a video. Oh my god, that voice cracked. We're doing a video on Pierre Bourne. He was on Eternal Take. He also had his own album or project. I guess you would call it album, right? I don't know. It was a project he did on his own, and he's also, I think he's doing more stuff as well with Whole Lotta Red. So he's relevant still, and he's just an overall good producer. So we're just gonna make a video on it. I don't think I'm gonna use any samples today. I just really don't feel like it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get into the video of just using Omnisphere, you know. But yeah, if you haven't done so already, make sure you join the Discord. Okay, I do live weekly teas, beat rating contests, all that stuff in the Discord. So make sure you join. We're at 600 members. We're trying to get to 1,000. You hit join the Discord. Also don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Okay, I can't have only 30% of you guys that are subscribed to me watching it, and to those 30%, thank you rocking with me and watching my videos. But if you're not, just hit the subscribe button, man. Just do it, please. It is not hard. Hit the subscribe button, and yeah. So let's get into the beat, shall we? All right, so I think I have Omnisphere open. Yeah, I also have a MIDI put down, but I just don't. I kind of want to start from scratch, just cause like it'll make a better video. Let's just start from scratch, guys. All right, now it's time to do this part of the melody, and let's go crazy. All right, now time to look for a sound. Want to get a nice sound. We got to get a good sound. This is a pretty cool melody. Can I mess with the timbre on this one? Let's add a phaser to this. Alright, I guess there's the melody. That's pretty good. I am pleased with that. Alright. Time to go to the drums now. Let's get our 808 going, because I already have an 808 pattern in my head. So where are they at? pattern. I think like, there's too many notes in it, too many like pitch changes, but you know what? We'll keep it for now. Hi-hat pattern now. This hard. Let's try this snare. I'm gonna try this snare out. We're putting some wave shaper on those snares. Those snares are way too quiet. Or actually, honestly, I could probably just go. Yeah, there we go. You know what? I'm gonna leave it at that, guys. That is it. I think that sounds fire. Let me know what you guys thought in the comment section below. Don't rate the comment, share, like, subscribe, join the Discord as well, and most importantly, subscribe. Okay, I don't know why you're not subscribed, because I know you're not, and you're watching, and you're like, yo, this content is dope, but like, I'm not subscribed. Yo, just subscribe to the channel. Make an account if you don't have one. Do what you gotta do. Subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to also turn on that post notifications. Use that bell. You know what I'm saying? Next to the subscribe button. And yeah, I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Peace.
Unorthodox beats.